How to loan Lazada using Billease. The first things first is you need to open up your Lazada and make sure that you're logged into your account. And first things first, please do make sure that you're currently using the latest version of Lazada so you will not encounter any problems in the future. So first things first, go directly to your account at the lower right portion and then scroll down a bit till you find My Lazada Wallet. Tap on that. And then in here, all you have to do next is just to make sure that your Lazada wallet is already activated. Simply tap on activate and it will ask for an OTP code and then just make sure that your current phone number is selected as one of your associate number in Lazada. Now once you have activated your Lazada wallet, all you have to do is scroll down a bit and go to loans. Now in here, just find Bill Ease and just choose on click here. Then here you have to apply first, select the order value you want, the down payment, and as well as the installments, months, or yearly. So once you have filled this out, just simply tap on apply now. So you will be providing or sending a request to apply for a loan. And that's it. That's how you apply a loan on Lazada using Bill Is.